Hello student, welcome back. This is Bharat Khuman from Mechanical Engineering Department. Today we are going to discuss about the thermodynamic properties. Student, as you know, we just discussed about the introduction of thermodynamics and system and boundary. So today we are going to discuss thermodynamic properties. There are a total 4 types of properties. First one, basic property. So student, it is nothing but the list out of basic property where pressure, mass, temperature, volume, density and velocity. So student, let's understand one by one all basic properties. Pressure, it is denoted by capital P. So pressure is defined as a measure of the force applied over a unit area. So student, जो प्रेशर है उसका जो इक्वेशन बनेगा वो बनेगा फोर्स पर एरिया, है ना. तो उसको सिंपल हम इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं कि P इज इक्वल टू एफ बाई ए, और इसका एसआई यूनिट बनेगा न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. व्हाई न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर? बिकॉज ऑफ in the definition of pressure, force is related to Newton and area is related to meter square. That's why the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Now second one is mass. It is denoted by small m. Quantity of matter is known as mass. So SI unit of mass is kilogram. Now third one is temperature. It is denoted by capital T, है ना. The temperature of the degree of hotness of any system is known as temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Now absolute zero temperature, a temperature at which the entropy of all pure crystalline substance achieves zero value, that is known as absolute zero temperature. Fourth one, volume. It is denoted by capital V. Region occupied in the space by the system is known as its volume. So SI unit of volume is meter cube. Now let's see specific volume. It is denoted by small v. The volume of unit mass is known as a specific volume. So in the equation form we can write volume per mass and the SI unit is meter cube per kg. Now fifth one is density. It is denoted by rho. It is defined as mass per unit volume, is known as density. The unit of density in SI system is kilogram per meter cube. Now last but not the least, velocity. It is denoted by capital C. The velocity of system is the rate of change of its position in a given direction with respect to some reference, that is known as velocity, and the SI system unit is meter per second. Now student, let's see about derived properties where we just going to see internal energy, flow work, enthalpy, entropy and specific heat. Now first one, internal energy. It is denoted by capital U. So student, it is a energy possessed by the system due to its molecular structure and molecular motion, is known as internal energy, and its unit in a SI system is joule. Okay student. Now let's see flow work, and it is denoted by capital P and V. Here capital P is pressure and capital V is volume. Okay. Now work associated with flow process is known as flow work, and SI unit is again joule. Enthalpy, it is denoted by capital H. It is the summation of internal energy and flow work. Again its SI unit is joule. If we talking about a specific enthalpy, then after the unit is joule per kg. Now let's see entropy. It is denoted by capital S, and let's see its definition. It is the measure of disorderness of the system where its SI unit is joule per Kelvin. If we talking about a specific entropy, then the unit is joule per kilogram Kelvin. Now last, specific heat. It is denoted by capital C. It is defined as a heat energy required to raise the temperature of unit mass of the substance by 1 degree. है ना? So its SI unit is nothing but the joule per kg Kelvin. Now student, let's see third property. It is transport property. This property is related to viscosity and thermal conductivity, which is associated with transport phenomena, are known as transport properties. Now last but not the least, composite properties, a property which depend on both system and surrounding, है ना, that is called composite properties. Now as an example, availability or exergy, the maximum useful work that can be done by the system for given state of its surrounding, known as availability. तो स्टूडेंट, ये थी थर्मोडायनेमिक्स प्रॉपर्टी, जहां पे हमने देखा बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी, डिराइव्ड प्रॉपर्टी, ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रॉपर्टी एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट कंपोजिट प्रॉपर्टीज. सो स्टूडेंट, लेट्स सी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज, है ना. देयर इज अ टोटल 6 टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज. First one is extensive property. A value depend on mass, that is called extensive property. As an example, mass, volume, surface area, entropy and enthalpy. So student, it is nothing but the extensive properties. Now let's see intensive property. It's a reverse. Value does not depend on mass, है ना. Value does not depend on mass, that is called intensive property. As an example, pressure, temperature, density, specific heat and specific entropy. Now let's see third one. It is macroscopic property. A macroscopic level includes anything seen with the eyes, that is known as macroscopic properties. As an example, pressure, temperature, volume. So student, ये एक्सटेंसिव, इंटेंसिव एंड मैक्रोस्कोपिक प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ फोर्थ वन जो हम देखेंगे वो है माइक्रोस्कोपिक प्रॉपर्टीज. माइक्रोस्कोपिक प्रॉपर्टीज, माइक्रोस्कोपिक लेवल इंक्लूड्स एटम्स एंड मोलिक्यूल्स, थिंग्स नॉट सीन विद द आईज. एज अ एग्जांपल, प्रेशर, वॉल्यूम, टेम्परेचर डिस्क्राइब अ बिहेवियर ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स. सो इट इज नोन एज माइक्रोस्कोपिक प्रॉपर्टीज. Now fifth one is intrinsic properties. Value does not depend on any external references, that is known as intrinsic properties. As an example, mass, volume, temperature and pressure. Now last but not the least, extrinsic properties. Value depends on any external reference, that is known as extrinsic property. As an example, velocity, weight, height. So student, it is nothing but the classification of properties. Kindly attempt the mind twister questions attached through link provided in description. So student, आज का ये लेक्चर हम यही खत्म करेंगे. अपकमिंग लेक्चर के अंदर हम देखेंगे थर्मोडायनेमिक प्रोसेसेस एंड साइकिल्स. टिल दैट कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद.